Y is energized whenever a heat pump calls for either heating or cooling, because the compressor must run for both modes. On a heat pump, the yellow conductor controls the outdoor compressor contactor, so any active call for temperature change energizes Y. When the thermostat requests heat, the control energizes Y and also energizes the reversing valve or energizes a different terminal depending on system design. So the compressor runs in the reverse cycle to extract heat from outdoors. For cooling, the thermostat energizes Y and the reversing valve is set for cooling, so the compressor circulates refrigerant to move heat from inside to outside. Many thermostats will energize Y together with the fan terminal when necessary, but some will sequence the fan after a short delay, so check thermostat programming and fan operation modes. When replacing or troubleshooting a thermostat, confirm that Y is configured for single-stage compressor control and not repurposed for a second stage or accessory function. Use a multimeter to verify 5 to 24 volts between Y and common while a call is active, and watch for voltage dropout when the call ends. Intermittent voltage indicates wiring or relay failure. Always isolate power and follow safety lockout procedures before working on the air handler or outdoor unit to avoid injury and damage. Technicians often assume Y only means cooling and misdiagnose heat pump calls, so check thermostat mode and whether the reversing valve is being driven before replacing components. Another common issue is incorrect thermostat wiring, where Y is tied to a fan or auxiliary terminal, causing the compressor to run at wrong times. Correct the wiring at both ends and retest. A third frequent problem is failing to confirm voltage during a call, which leads to replacing expensive parts unnecessarily. Take live measurements and inspect contactor coil continuity first. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects related to heating systems and general home work. Our site also gives contractors a place to find leads and discuss practical installation and troubleshooting tips in our active discussion community.